Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today is Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. This is a collab, so there will be a playlist down below. Most likely there will be other people in it for you to watch. So today we're going to use the Real Peach Essence Mask. This is by Farmstay, and it's your typical face mask. Where'd my glasses go? Clean your face, apply the mask, 15 to 20 minutes, remove the mask, tap in the leftover serum. It says a sheet mask consisting of peach essence nourishes dry skin and it helps strengthen skin barrier to keep the skin hydrated and rejuvenated. So let's get this on. We're going to do an Inked Goddess unboxing today. You know, for that little witchiness in us. Alright. Oh, there's lots of... See this little glass jar? I'm going to put the rest of that serum in there and then use it all week if I can get the mask open. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Alright, here we go. This is really wet. So how was everybody's weekend? How was last week? I do have some new subscribers. And I'd like to say welcome to the channel. I hope it's okay that I don't know like what made you subscribe, if it was the book part, the beauty part, the mask part. Just stick around, it's a variety channel for sure. Do all kinds of stuff over here. But I appreciate you all. Let me tuck this curl. Or not. Oh my goodness, this thing, the evil curl I call it. It just does what it wants. It's a shorter piece of my hair. I grew out my gray from a very short pixie in 2020. So then when like as it was growing, I was cutting in bangs, and that's the remnants of the bangs. I'm kind of getting bored with this color, but I don't know. I don't want to go back to dyeing. You know what I mean? All right, so this will go in this little glass jar. And then, we're already up to 4 minutes. I'm sorry, guys. We will open this box. Alright. Very cool. Throw that away. Alright, we got the Inked Goddess Creations box. This is a subscription box. It's $35 a month, which includes the shipping. She takes the money out on the 1st. The box 9 times out of 10 gets here before the 10th. This week there was this time there was a day or two delay because of the World Cup with all the traffic and all that. So this is what she's looking like. You get a card that explains everything in the box, and this is all the information. I believe she has a I'm not sure if it's one choice of subscription box or two. I can't remember. So I took this paper off for a minute so you can see. So that's what we're looking at. Let me put this. I should have made more room on my table. There we go. Alright, so I will need my glasses for this, because we're old. Alright, that paper on the top was Witch's Voice Ritual. Finding Your Voice. Awakening the Witch's Voice Ritual. It's a whole ritual. Tells you how to do it. Yada, yada, yada. Okay. So the first thing in here, whoa, after the box falls down, is Spiritual AF Deck. 99 inspirational cards for those who really need to clear their throat chakra. These snarky cards can be used for daily motivation, meditation, and more. So, of course, it's wrapped in cellophane. It says, based on the popular AF Instagram at spiritual_AF. Never heard of it. It says, pick a effing card. This is in the instruction thing on the bottom. Place that effort in the little stand. Do the SHIT, it says. See your life get less poopy. Love the F out of yourself and others. There, you're spiritual AF. Okay. Put that over here. Here's the little stand. It is cardboard, by the way. And here's the cards. Alright, so that's interesting. I do agree, there's times, especially now, I know a lot of groups of people feel so silenced, you know. You're afraid to say anything because any little thing you say, no matter if you have followers or not that have followed you for years, you could say one thing and boom, they hate your guts. It's crazy. Alright, so Witch's Voice, Black Tea Book. Alright, so next in the box is Witch's Voice Tea. Alright, this delicious black tea also contains blue cornflower, calendula, safflower to help you communicate effectively. Drink before any deep conversation or speaking event, or when you want to reclaim your power, truth, or voice. So it's looking like that. This amount is probably enough for 8 to 10 cups, I would say. Depends on how strong you like your tea. It says 1 tablespoon for 4 minutes, and you would need a tea ball for that. Alright, what's next? Red and black skull rattle. Okay. Let's me cut it open. Okay, it looks like that. Rattles can be used to shake up thick, stagnant energy in a room or around you. The red flame skull helps you find your inner flame of desire, courage, and power, and shake, shake, shake it to the surface. This rattle can be very effective to shake up and clear away energies of anger, powerlessness, or frustration. What is it? I'll be shaking that all day. Alright, anyway. This was the Book of Shadows page. It's Witch's Voice Ritual Mini Book of Shadows page. This ritual helps you awaken your inner voice and use your voice to speak your truth or reclaim your power. So, this is next. This is going to be a blue tiger eye gemstone necklace. Oh, blue tiger eye. I love tiger eye. It's so pretty. Comes in this cute little bag. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. Blue tiger eye is perfect for communicating with confidence, speaking your truth, and reclaiming your power. The adjustable cord means you can wear it close to your throat chakra or further down to close your solar plexus chakra for personal power activation. So your throat chakra, I don't know if you know what chakras are. They're energy centers in your body that spin. They have been proven to exist scientifically. So this would be your throat chakra, right in between your breast, where your is your solar plexus, right here on that bone that I can't think of the name of. And anyway, sternum. Oh, that's pretty. And look, it's adjustable. You can make it longer or shorter. Oh, that's cool. Okay, loving that. That's a beautiful stone. Put that on later. And then we have a votive. Throat chakra votive candle, a blend of eucalyptus and bergamot to help heal and open your throat chakra for effective communication. And it smells divine. And then, of course, to add to my collection, and these are only some of them. These are the cards. You get Witch's Voice Eclectic Witch Card Expansion Pack. 3 cards, 1 on Blue Tiger's Eye, rattles, and opening your throat chakra to add to your eclectic witch deck. So this is the witch deck that I've been collecting. This is Blue Tiger Eye. Rattles. If you want to pause and read. And opening the throat chakra. If you guys are interested in like what chakras are and energy centers in your body and that, if you want to hear about that, can you let me know in the comments down below and I will do a video about it. Maybe I'll do a Wednesday video about it. It's up to you guys. If not, it doesn't matter. This is pretty. So, that was my box. I got my serum in the jar here. You can see. It's dripping. Anyway, this is a collab. There is a link down below. I'm leaving this mask on. I really need it this week. This has been a pretty interesting week. So, and remember, we're reading Leather and Lark by Brian Weaver. She's a wonderful author, if you like those kind of books. And that will be posted on the last Sunday of the month. Sips and spoilers. You get all the tea and spoilers on the book. Anywho, check out the playlist down below. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.